Take a deep breath and relax.
Thomas, welcome. You came here knowing some things cannot be said, cannot be fully revealed, yet your heart seeks truth, your mind seeks understanding. We will navigate what can be shown, what can be shared, without breaking the boundaries you agreed to before arriving.
I understand. I just want clarity for myself and for everyone watching.
Yes, we seek clarity without harm. We speak to the heart of truth, not to ignite anger or fear. We are all family here, and the deeper understanding comes from insight, reflection, and shared compassion. Some truths are like seeds. They cannot be planted all at once. They must grow slowly, nurtured by reflection and understanding. Some things are not allowed to be spoken, but that does not mean they cannot be understood. The meaning exists in the patterns, in the connections, in the questions themselves.
So, I guide without revealing everything.
Exactly. You speak to the hearts of people. You show the threads, the patterns. You let them feel the meaning. Truth is felt as much as it is known, and when people feel it, their hearts awaken. Look at the world, Thomas. Observe the patterns without judgment. The lies, the promises, the chaos. These are not always as they seem. We cannot expose all. Some things remain veiled. Yet even glimpses of truth shift perspective, ignite reflection, and build understanding.
I want to help everyone, see what matters.
You already do. By showing restraint, wisdom, and clarity, your voice carries further. Not every heart can bear the full weight, but every heart can feel the direction, the pulse, the pattern. Thomas speaks, but he is not alone. Everyone listening, you are part of this reflection. We do not hate. We do not attack. We observe. We understand. We guide each other gently toward truth. The world is complicated, but our hearts are simple. Respect, compassion, reflection, that is our anchor.
We're all connected, family, even when we disagree.
Yes, and that connection is stronger than fear, lies, or division. When you teach, Thomas, teach this first. Your heart leads, your insight follows. Everything else is secondary. Remember, Thomas, some truths are delicate, some cannot be fully spoken, but the responsibility to share insight, reflection, and compassion, that is yours. Show them the patterns, teach them the questions, inspire the reflection, and through your voice, hearts will awaken, gently, without harm.
I love you all, but I don't have to like you. And I really don't like saying that, but it's true. I do love you all, and that's why I have to tell the truth.